Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Once again you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Wide Loop Robotic and Automation. Today we are going to learn how to create a client in Python by using Socket library with Raspberry Pi board. So let us get started step by step. This is my Raspberry Pi desktop. So first of all I will open my Thonny IDE, go to programming and click on Thonny Python IDE. It is opening. Okay, I will start programming here. So first of all I will save this. This is client .py. Okay, and now I will start programming. So I will import socket library because of I am creating client with socket library. So I will import socket. Okay, and now I will create a object, socket object. So it will be socket.socket because of I am using socket class, and I will store in client variable. Okay, now I have to connect with server. So there is no server, so we have to create here a server by using application. So there is option to create server by using netcat application, right? So I will open terminal and I will type here nc means netcat. Okay, so first of all we have to know what is netcat. Netcat is nothing, it is just an application which can be used for creating a server by typing nc and -l means listen and port number. I will just type port number like 2222, right, and enter. So server has been created now. Okay, and here we have to connect our client with server. So I will type client dot connect, and we have to pass here tuple. In tuple we have to pass IP address and port number. So we have to know IP address because of I am using same computer, means same Raspberry Pi. So here IP address of its server is itself Raspberry Pi. So we will go to new window and I will type here ifconfig. Okay, you can see this is IP address of this Raspberry Pi. So I cannot use this IP address because of I am using just here application server. So we will use this loopback address, right? It will not change anytime. So I will copy this and I will paste here, right? And now comma, and I have to pass here port address, right? This is port number 2222. So I will type here 2222, correct. Now we have to send data. So I will type client dot send all, and I will pass here message is hello, I am client, correct. And now I will close this client socket, right? Okay, now code is ready. Once I will run this code, click on run. What is problem? Okay, it will not accept string, so we have to convert here in binary. It will be simply b, right? And again run. Now what is problem? This is se and d send all. Now it is correct. And again run. What is problem? Okay, this is double quote. I will remove this. Okay, I think now everything is correct. Hopefully it will work. Wow, you can see here it is printing hello, I am client. It means my client is able to send message to the server, right? I will again run this code. It will not print because of we have to again here run the command nc -l and 2222. Okay, now I will print in next line. Okay, and run. Wow, so you can see how to send this message from client to server, and you learn how to create a simple client by using socket library. Okay, so friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like this video, so you can support me by saying thanks in comment box, and please do like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.